Hi there, it's Mrs. Drink with Percussion, and we're going to be doing lesson 23. For warm-up, of course, I hope you've warmed up on your percussion rudiment paper. And remember, I have a video that goes with this. Always warm up with this percussion rudiment paper. Okay, lesson 23. Let's skip the first two lines. I feel they're kind of confusing. Let's just skip those. What they're doing on this page is they're starting to do what's called the longer roll, long rolls. And you'll see over here, half notes with a triple slash, dotted half notes with a triple slash, and then the open, which is called the whole note, with a triple slash. And you might remember these from this other page, lesson 22. Half notes are worth 2 beats, dotted half notes are worth 3 beats, and whole notes are worth 4 beats. The tradition on these, especially like if you played the trumpet or the flute or something, is where you could blow and hold the note out for 2 beats, 3 beats, or 4 beats. But on drums, they tend to be drum rolls. So remember, half notes are worth 2 beats, dotted half notes are worth 3 beats, and these open circles, which with no stem, are called whole notes because they take the whole 4 beats. Whole notes are worth 4 beats. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at one. Notice it's on half notes, so that means 2 beats. Notice the triple slash. So what you do is you think, how many 16th notes fit into that note, 2 beats? The answer is 8. Remember, 16th notes, 4 of them equals 1 beat. 4 of them equal 1 beat. They're called 16th notes because in a 4-beat measure, there'd be 16 of them. So if you think of it in 4 beats, each beat is worth 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So in a 4-beat measure, which is the traditional measure, it's called common time, there's 16 of them. That's why they're called 16th notes. Okay, so on 2 beats, you'd have to do 8 of them. So it'd be 1 E and a, 2 E and a, with bounces. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, then beat 3 is a plain quarter note and 4 is a plain quarter note. Okay? So I'm going to be playing song 1. As you look through, you see all of the rolls are on half notes. So all of the rolls would be 1 E and a, 2 E and a, with bounces. Okay, like I said, I hope you've already warmed up. Okay, song number 1. At first you might just want to listen to me play it and look at your music to get used to it, but eventually I want you to try to play along with me. And remember, try to get in the habit of talking out loud while you play. Talking out loud while you play. I challenge you to develop that skill. I know a lot of times you're, like in band and things, you don't talk out loud, but you want to be able to have something in your mind. These counting systems that I use, you want to develop the skill where you can do it because it can really help you with challenging songs. Okay, song 1 will be 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4. Okay, everybody, song 1. Ready, go. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4. Okay, take a look at number 2. You see these are also on half notes, but it's in 2/4 time signature, so the measures are smaller. Okay, everybody, take a look at number 2. Again, you might want to just listen to me play it the first time. Song 2, I'll just go lead it with ready, go. Okay, everybody get ready for song 2? Ready, go. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 1, 2, and 1 E and a, 2. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 1, 2, and 1 E and a, 2. Okay, song 3, dotted half notes mean you roll for 3 beats. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, all bouncing strokes. Okay, everybody look at number 3. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 and a, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 and a, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 and a, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 and a, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 and a, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 and a, 4. Okay, number 4. Now you're going to roll for the full measure because they're whole notes. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. It's long rolls, long rolls. Okay, everybody, song 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the one on the bottom, Graduation Overture. I would like to skip the first line and the second line. Let's totally skip the first line and the second line. I feel they're kind of written in the old-fashioned style that isn't used in modern music. So let's just start on the third line of Graduation Overture, Song 5. The third line, the part that is the 2/4 time signature, says Allegro. So everybody, let's start there on the third line of the song. So we'll do line 3 and line 4. Okay, so Allegro means quick. It's kind of a marching speed. As you scan through it, you'll see there's some 5-stroke rolls. There is some accents. In elementary school, I don't mind if you skip the accents. It's okay with me. And there's an F underneath the music, which means to play loudly. It's the Italian word forte, which means loud. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. You see the Z repeats, which means repeat the measure that came before it, saves ink. There's a 9-stroke roll. Okay, everybody, so this is Song 5. I'm starting on the third line. Well, I'm going to do the third line and the fourth line. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1. 2 E and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1, 2. Yeah, nice marching song. That was lesson 23.